Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about water molecules. So H2O. Water molecules contain number of salts. So overall, it is classified into two types: hard water and soft water. Hard water contain number of salts like a magnesium carbonate or magnesium bicarbonate, and magnesium chloride or magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride or calcium sulfate. Commonly, we are used different types of methods. So we have removed the impurities or salts from hot water. Already we know that. Okay. So today topic, heavy water. Heavy water. What is the meaning of heavy water? So overall, deuterium oxide D2O, deuterium oxide D2O is called heavy water. Okay, so it is a new one, D2O. D means deuterium. Okay, D means deuterium. D2O, deuterium oxide is also called heavy water. What is the formula of deuterium oxide? D2O is the formula of deuterium oxide. So commonly, how it is prepared? Overall, when we have taken water, so when electrolyzer or electricity is passed through the water, okay, electricity is passed through the water to form just like a D2O or deuterium oxide or heavy water. Okay, when we have taken water molecules, electricity is passed through the water molecules. So the time to give the D2O means deuterium oxide. Okay, overall suppose for example 6000 ml or 6000 parts of water contain 1 part deuterium oxide. Okay, so overall 6000 parts of water contain how much? 1 part deuterium oxide. Okay, only 1 part deuterium oxide contained in 6000 parts of water. Okay, overall, so deuterium oxide is a liquid. Deuterium oxide is a liquid. So it is a colorless, and next one odorless. At the same time, tasteless. Okay, what is the properties? What is the physical properties of deuterium oxide? Commonly, it is a liquid. Deuterium oxide D2O is a liquid, and it is colorless. Odorless means just like no smell. Okay, and tasteless. Okay, so it is a tasteless compound. So it is some properties is completely different than water. Okay, water and deuterium oxide properties is completely different. Okay, so it is physical properties of D2O, deuterium oxide. Okay, listen. So overall, heavy water, deuterium oxide is also called heavy water. D2O is the formula of heavy water or deuterium oxide. How it is prepared? When electricity is passed through the water to form deuterium oxide or heavy water. What is the physical properties of deuterium oxide? So commonly deuterium oxide is a liquid. It is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Okay, so overall some properties is completely different compared with the water molecules. Okay, so it is a preparation and chemical properties. Overall, 6,000 parts of water contain only 1 part deuterium oxide or heavy water. Okay, so overall, what is the chemical properties of heavy water? What is the chemical properties of heavy water? So this heavy water is reacts with as it is equal to water properties. Suppose for example, when we have taken sulfur trioxide, this sulfur trioxide is reacts with D2O. D2O means deuterium oxide. Okay, D2O means deuterium oxide. Okay, to form this reaction D2SO4. Okay, D2SO4. Suppose for example, replace of D we write H. Suppose SO3 plus H2O gives rise to H2SO4. Okay, as this equation, but replace of D we write H. Okay, D2O, H2O. So sulfur trioxide is reacts with D2O, deuterium oxide, to form D2SO4, deuterosulfuric acid. Okay, so that is sulfuric acid. Sulfur trioxide is reaction with H2O molecules to form H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Okay, so it is a deuterosulfuric acid. Okay, deuterosulfuric acid. Next further, second one, CaC2. CaC2 means calcium carbide. Okay, CaC2 means calcium carbide. So this calcium carbide is reacts with water molecules. Calcium carbide is reacts with water molecules to form CaOD taken twice. CaOD taken twice, and next further C2D2. C2D2. So it is equal to reaction water molecule. Suppose for example, CaC2 calcium carbide, it is reacts with water molecules. Calcium carbide is reacts with water molecules to form calcium hydroxide and next C2H2. Calcium hydroxide and C2H2. So C2H2 means acetylene. Okay, acetylene. Okay, so or ethine, C2H2, ethine or acetylene. Okay, so calcium hydroxide, already we know that. Okay, so when calcium carbide is reacts with deuterium oxide to form calcium deuteroxide. Okay, next further C2D2, deuteroacetylene. C2D2, deuteroacetylene. Okay, what is the formula of C2D2? Deuteroacetylene. Okay, next third one, suppose Al4C3. Al4C3 means aluminium carbide. Okay, Al4C3 means aluminium carbide. This aluminium carbide is reacts with D2O, deuterium oxide. Aluminium carbide is reacts with D2O, deuterium oxide to form AlOD taken twice, aluminium deuteroxide. Okay, so AlOD taken twice, aluminium deuteroxide, and next further CD4. Okay, next further CD4. So CD4. Suppose for example Al4C3, aluminium carbide. This aluminum carbide is reacts with the water molecules. Aluminum carbide is reacts with the water molecule to form AlOH tetraethyl aluminum hydroxide and next further CH4. What is the CH4? CH4 is the methane. CH4 is the methane. So overall, aluminum carbide is reacts with water molecule to form aluminum hydroxide and methane. As this aluminum carbide is reacts with deuterium oxide to form aluminum deuteroxide and deuteromethane. So it is methane, deuteromethane. It is acetylene, deuteroacetylene. It is sulfuric acid, deuterosulfuric acid. Okay, deuterosulfuric acid. Suppose we have taken sulfur dioxide SO2, sulfur dioxide. This sulfur dioxide is reacts with the D2O, deuterium oxide. Okay, sulfur dioxide is reacts with the D2O, deuterium oxide. To form this reaction, D2SO3, D2SO3. So as it is, we write the equation. Sulfur dioxide is reacts with water molecules to form H2SO3. H2SO3. So that is a sulfurous acid. Okay, sulfurous acid. So it is a deuterosulfurous acid. Okay, deuterosulfurous acid. So these are all chemical properties of deuterium oxide. Listen. So deuterium oxide is just like it is equal to chemical properties of water molecules, just replace of hydrogen. Okay, suppose for example we have taken sulfur dioxide. This sulfur dioxide is reacts with D2O to form D2SO3, deuterosulfurous acid. Deuterosulfurous acid. Or suppose sulfur trioxide is reacts with deuterium oxide to form D2SO4, deuterosulfuric acid. Okay, deuterosulfuric acid. Or suppose calcium carbide. Calcium carbide is reacts with D2O, deuterium oxide to form calcium deuteroxide and C2D2. C2D2 means C2H2. C2H2 means acetylene. C2D2 means deuteroacetylene. Okay. Next further, Al4C3 means aluminum carbide. This aluminum carbide is reacts with D2O, deuterium oxide. To form in this reaction, aluminum deuteroxide and next CD4. Just like CH4. CH4 means methane, but CD4 is deuteromethane. Okay, deuteromethane. Next, as these reactions. Okay. So next uses. So what is the use of D2O or heavy water? Commonly D2O or heavy water, it is mainly used for to preparation of deuterium. Okay, to preparation of deuterium. So suppose for example, when we have taken D2O, deuterium oxide. So when hydrolyzed D2O, deuterium oxide, the time to form 2D2 plus O2. In this reaction to form which compound? Deuterium. Okay, which compound? Deuterium. Suppose for example, So 2H2O, 2H2 plus O2. Water molecules is converted to hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, water molecules is converted to give hydrogen. So at the same time oxygen. At the same time D2O, deuterium oxide is also give deuterium and oxygen. So one of the best use, it is mainly used for to preparation of deuterium from deuterium oxide. Okay, to preparation of deuterium. Next, second one. So it is mainly used for in nuclear reactors. Okay, deuterium oxide is mainly used in nuclear reactors. Okay, next third one, it is mainly used for different types of mechanism of reactions. Okay, so this is the mainly uses of heavy water. So heavy water is mainly used for to preparation of deuterium, and heavy water is mainly used in nuclear reactors. It is used for mainly in different types of chemical reactions. Okay, different types of chemical reactions. Okay, so it is D2O or heavy water. Okay, further we have discussed about hydrogen gas. So overall hydrogen gas is usually has a fuel. Okay, hydrogen gas is mainly used as a fuel. So in different types of components. Okay, so has a fuel gas. So it is mainly used in water gas or different types of gases. Okay, further we will discuss next class. Okay.